Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print helpdesk report via helpdesk app. So let's see about that. You can see here a module Dev helpdesk report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to helpdesk, go to tickets, and I want to print this both. Now go to print menu and see here this ticket details and see here your printed tickets. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.